I got funded for 100k with this one simple trade, guys, and in this video I'm gonna break it down and show you exactly what went into it. Let's hop into the chart. Okay guys, this is the trade I am talking about. It's on Ethereum, it was on the hour 1 chart, and it's a so-called hour 1 continuation setup for me, for my system, for a system that I trade on some funded accounts. And as you can see right here, what happened? We had this extremely strong downtrend and we switched structure to bullish right here. That was like the first shift in structure for bullish, and then we basically continued higher. And as you can see right here, this was the continuation leg for higher, and then price retraced strongly. We had this big wick, we filled the wick for a little bit, and then we retraced slowly back down into these lows right here. As you can see, this slow grind down. And what happened right here, guys, this was my low, my invalidation. So if we would have closed below here, price would have went bearish. But as you can see, price never really went bearish, and we had those one tap right here in this zone, then the second tap and the third tap. Every tap grabbed liquidity of the other tap, as you can see, bam, bam, and bam. And after that, a free tap is something that is often not to neglect. A free tap is something that often can lead to a reversal. And as you can see right here, after the 3 tap, I'm not blindly longing. I waited for this market structure shift right here. As you can see, we shifted structure. This high brought us to this last third tap, and then we broke this high with a strong move, also a very good indication. And from this first leg to the upside that we never broke, I am just in this discount zone. The green zone is the 50% level, and that's where I set my entry. As you can see right here, if you put the zone right here, this is the 50% level. And after this market structure shift, after this 3 tap, I set my entry at the 50% level of the discount. My invalidation was the low that broke market structure, as you can see right here, and then my entry got filled, and I risked around 2.5% on this trade, guys. Very important. I always tell you to risk low when you start out, and when you start out, stick to your 1% risk. Me, I have quite some margin available. I rather pass the challenge a little bit quicker, risk a little bit more, but there's still a proven system behind it. That's important, guys. Of course, sometimes you hit a losing streak and you will breach the challenge if you go a bit more aggressive, but that's like the goal for me, is to not waste too much time on challenges, and that's why I risk 2.5% on this trade. I set my take profit at 4.25 R, and if you can do the math, that brings me to the 10% profit goal. As you can see right here, the trade got filled, and then we at some point had this aggressive pump to the upside, and it was a perfect trade. It got me 100k funded. And that's all there is behind it, guys. If you want to learn to trade, if you want to learn how to build your system, then hit me up on X or on Instagram, guys. The link is down below. Just send me a DM with the word ready in it or whatever, and then we'll have a little chat, and then we will see. I can help you to become a full-time trader. I am teaching people to do that. It's been going really well, and I hope you guys learned something from this trade. This is a repeatable setup, very simple. If you put data in it, if you put some work in it, then you can trade like this too. Everything that went into it, guys. I hope you have a nice day, and I will see you in the next video, guys. Peace out.